Today we're going to talk about how to remove the cutter blade from your Amigo 1000. And getting prepared to do that, what we want to make sure is we have the right tools. So right here I've got a pair of needle nose pliers, I've got some cut gloves, and then I've got the 2mm hex wrench. Now you're probably familiar with this wrench when you're checking your belt ends, when you bring them together to make sure that they're flush. It's also used to remove the cutter blade. So let's get started. So in order to get the blade out, we first want to make sure that the blade itself is nested into the blade housing. And then we want to open the platen so I have room for the 2mm hex wrench. So as you can see, that platen moved open, and now I can reach in and loosen up my set screw. Please be mindful that the set screw is very short and stubby, and if you undo it too much, it's just going to drop into the Amigo and you'll need a magnet to fish it out. So I'm just going to open it up carefully, a few turns, and then I'll just grab my needle nose and bring it out. Once I get it out, I just simply turn it around, and then I can carefully put it back into position. Lock it in place with the set screw. And that's all there is to it.